Clifton Group.
As a major exporter of ready-made garments, Bangladesh takes center stage in the global fashion industry. At the heart of Bangladesh's apparel industry stands Clifton Group, a pioneering entity that has redefined the standards of manufacturing excellence. Established in 1985, Clifton Group has evolved into a comprehensive unit encompassing every aspect of apparel production, from conception to delivery. Each process within apparel manufacturing is a testament to the precision, skill, and dedication of Clifton Group's workforce. As the foundation of garment coloring, dyeing requires meticulous attention to detail and an acute understanding of color theory. Clifton Group employs state-of-the-art techniques and eco-friendly practices to ensure vibrant hues that stand the test of time. The art of stitching transforms fabric into wearable masterpieces. Clifton Group's skilled artisans, equipped with cutting-edge machinery, meticulously sew each garment, ensuring impeccable quality and durability. From intricate patterns to bold designs, printing breathes life into fabrics. Clifton Group leverages innovative printing technologies to unleash creativity and deliver products that resonate with the ever-changing demands of the fashion industry. Clifton Group's impact extends far beyond the realm of manufacturing. With a steadfast commitment to ethical practices, sustainable initiatives, and community development, Clifton Group is not just a company, it's a catalyst for positive change. In a country where the apparel industry serves as a cornerstone of progress, Clifton Group stands at the forefront of innovation and excellence by prioritizing quality, sustainability, and social responsibility. Clifton Group not only elevates the standards of apparel manufacturing, but also empowers communities and paves the way for a brighter, more prosperous future for Bangladesh.